Agile PM and Scrum X with step-by-step help. Agile Project Management is a flexible and iterative approach to managing projects. It focuses on breaking down the project into smaller, more manageable tasks, allowing teams to adapt to changes quickly. Agile Project Planning. Project scope, setting goals and objectives, and creating a roadmap for implementation. In Agile, project planning is done in iterations, with frequent check-ins and adjustments as needed. Sprint planning. A sprint is a short, time-boxed period during which a specific set of tasks is completed. During sprint planning, the team decides which tasks to work on and how to accomplish them within the sprint time frame. Agile Team. The Agile team is a cross-functional group of individuals with different skills and expertise who work together to deliver the project. Each team member has a specific role and responsibility, contributing to the success of the project. Sprint Review. At the end of the sprint, the team holds a sprint review meeting to demonstrate the completed work to the stakeholders. This allows the stakeholders to provide feedback and suggestions for improvement. Scrum Master. The Scrum Master acts as a facilitator, coach, and mentor to the team, helping them overcome obstacles and achieve their goals. Conclusion. In conclusion, Agile Project Management and Scrum methodology offer a structured and efficient approach to managing projects.